This video is going to help you learn the basic bachata step for men. Let's begin. We're going to start with our left foot and step to the side. Left, then bring the right foot together and put your weight on it. Then step again to the left with your left foot. Bring the right foot together, but this time don't put your weight on it. Just tap. Okay, again. Left foot to the side, right together, left to the side, and right together, tap. Again. Left, right, left, tap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is half a step. Now, we're gonna use our right foot and step to the side with the right. Then bring the left together and put your weight on it. Then step again to the right with your right foot. Bring the left foot. This time just tap. Don't put your weight on it. Okay. Again. Right foot first. Right, left, right, tap. Again. Right, left, right, tap. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the basic bachata step. Now let's do it full step. So we start with our left foot and go left, right, left, right. Now right, left, right. Again, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.